Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up Shopify store with Instagram shop integration. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set up your Shopify store with integration with your Instagram, you need to simply prepare your Instagram and Facebook accounts first. You need to simply use your Instagram's business account. You need to go to your Instagram and switch your Instagram into a business profile. After this, you need to link your Facebook page with your Instagram business, and now you need to log in into your Shopify admin dashboard. So once you are in your Shopify admin dashboard, you need to simply log in into your Shopify and navigate to sales channel and add sales channel. After you have done this, you can simply use your Facebook and Instagram accounts that are connected to choose a business portfolio that includes your Shopify as well. You can simply grant permission to your Shopify by logging into your Facebook account and set up and publish your store. You can simply connect accounts and go to Commerce Manager to create your shop, add products, and organize them into collections into Shopify. Now you can publish your store and wait approval from Instagram and Facebook to enable Instagram shopping features. So this is how you can set up a Shopify store with Instagram shop integration. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.